Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 3rd, 2020. We have here a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars. Where's the 4 stars? There is no 4 stars Sudoku here. Maybe this one is a 4 star because the next one is a binary and a tectonic, so total of 5 Sudokus. And I remember always with 5 Sudokus there's always a 4 star Sudoku, so maybe they switch the 3rd and the 4th star Sudoku. Alright, we will start with this one, the 1 star Sudoku, and this will be a number 1455. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed numbers. A 1 star Sudoku has always 27 printed digits, so let me check if this is correct. We have here 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 5 is 16. That will be 18 plus 3 is 21 plus 3 is 24 plus 3 is 27. So it's correct, 27 printed numbers. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so in the last row the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the 3rd column, 5 in the 2nd column, so in the 1st column the only place for the 5 should be there. Then 5 in the 1st row, 5 in the 3rd row, so in the 2nd row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. How about the number? Yes. These 3 numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8 in this big square. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet, but it's a pair, so I mark them for you so you can follow it easier. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. How about the number 4 missing numbers? One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9, no 9 there, the only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9 and this should be a 2. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And then A4 in this column, A4 in the first column, so in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. 6 and 3, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait, but I marked them because it's up here. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be here. Then 6, 3, and 9, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9. No 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. One of the 3 missing numbers in this big square is a 1. We see here 1. No 1 there. Here 1. No 1 there. The only box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. 3 and a 6. We have a pair here, 3 and a 6. So 1 number left in this column. This one should be the number 2. This is also 3 and a 6 are left in this second column. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 6, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4. 1 marks left in this row for the number 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 numbers left in this column. The 2 and no, we have a 2. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the middle column, only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, we have 2 numbers left in this big square, the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 8. In the middle column, also the 2 and the 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this second row for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 8 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 2 stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye.